The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for Manhattan and all coastal areas of New Jersey, including the following counties: New York, and in New Jersey, Hudson, Essex, Union, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Burlington, Atlantic, and Cape May, effective until 10 p.m. This is due to an earthquake measuring 8.1 on the Richter scale that occurred in the Atlantic Ocean at approximately 6:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A tsunami has been confirmed to be generated and is expected to arrive in the following areas at these times: Manhattan around 7:30 p.m., North Bergen, Guttenberg, West New York, Weehawken, Hoboken, Jersey City, and Bayonne around 7:40 p.m., Newark around 7:50 p.m., Elizabeth, Linden, and Rahway around 8 p.m., Carteret, Woodbridge, the Amboys, Sayreville, and Old Bridge around 8:10 p.m., the coastal areas and beaches in Monmouth County around 8:20 p.m., the coastal areas and beaches of Ocean County around 8:30 p.m., Bass River and Washington around 8:40 p.m., the coastal areas and beaches of Atlantic County around 8:50 p.m., and the coastal areas and beaches of Cape May County around 9 p.m. If you are currently in the warned area, it is highly recommended that you seek higher ground right now or evacuate the area if you so choose. Repeating, a tsunami warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Manhattan, New York, and in New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Essex, Hudson, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Union.